Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carry-on luggage that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the American Tourister Rolling Tote. The Rolling Tote by American Tourister is one of the best carry-on luggage options for underseat. It has 2 inline skate wheels and a retractable wheel handle, which makes it super easy to move around with it. And there are also 2 grab handles, with a handle wrap, at the top of the bag, which makes it very easy to carry it around in your hands. This carry-on bag is a good option if you want something small for really short trips, or as an addition to your checked suitcase. It has a luggage strap in the back, which allows you to mount it on top of your suitcase. Perfect if you're traveling with 2 bags. One downside to this carry-on luggage is that it is quite heavy. At 6 pounds, this weighs as much as a 20 inches suitcase. But, at least you don't have to worry about exceeding an airline's carry-on restrictions since it is pretty small. Unless you pack bricks inside it, you'll have time going over the allowed weight. The bag has compression straps in the main compartment, which will come in handy since it is front-loading. It will keep your clothes in place, in case you need to open up the bag to grab something from that large internal pocket on the front flat. In addition to that, there is a pretty large external pocket on this bag. Great for all those smaller items you want to have easily accessible. Moving on at number 4, we have the Osprey Fairpoint, Fairview 40. The Fairpoint 40 is an iconic carry-on backpack. It is small enough that pretty much every airline will accept it as a piece of carry-on luggage, but it still has a capacity of 40 liters. And that is pretty great. You can fit quite a lot of luggage in the 40-liter capacity of this carry-on luggage. There are 2 versions of the bag. The Fairpoint is the men's version, and the Fairview is the women's version. They are both the same size and they have the same capacity. The Fairview just has a specific design of the harness, to ensure that it perfectly fits the female body. The packs have light wire frame suspension, with adjustable load lifters that transfer the weight from the harness to the hip belt. The back panel and the harness are both padded, ventilated, for your carrying comfort. In addition to that, the packs both feature a stowaway harness. This makes the back of the pack smooth and makes it easier to fit it in the overhead compartment. The backpack has a front-loading main compartment, so it's really easy to pack. Also, it has a padded laptop sleeve, a tablet sleeve, and several other internal and external pockets for all your smaller items. The only downside to it is that the laptop compartment is not TSA friendly, so you will need to take it out when going through checkpoints. There are both internal and external compression straps on this pack, which allow you to tighten your backpack so that everything stays in place. All in all, some of the best carry-on luggage. At number 3, we have the Olympia Cascade 20 inches rolling backpack. The Cascade is a rolling backpack by Olympia. They are a brand that makes affordable luggage, and this pack is no exception. It only costs about $50. Which is pretty amazing considering how functional and sturdy this carry-on luggage. It has a large, front-loading main compartment, which can fit a lot. There is a small zip pocket on the front panel, and a pretty large internal zippered pocket. Of course, you get side water bottle pockets, but they are hidden away. The front panel of this pack also features daisy chain webbing, which allows you to attach any bulky items to it with a carabiner. And it has several grab handles, so you can easily carry it in your arms. The back panel is not the greatest, since it is not really ventilated. But, the backpack does have adjustable and ventilated shoulder straps and a very sturdy sternum strap. In addition to that, you can easily hide the shoulder straps with the panel, so that they don't get in the way when you're wheeling it around. The only thing you need to be careful about is the weight of the bag. It's deceptively small. You can actually fit quite a lot inside it, which means you can easily exceed any weight restriction. But the good news is that, in case you are forced to check this because of its weight, it is rugged enough to come out unscathed. At number 2, we have the Delsey Helium Aero International Carry-On. The Helium Aero International is the smallest suitcase in Delsey's Aero range, and it's the best one if you want to be absolutely positive that your carry-on will always be allowed on the airplane. It's so small that it conforms to the dimension restrictions of most airlines in the world, which is a huge plus. It's not too lightweight, but I can live with that. This suitcase has a 100% polycarbonate shell, which is the best material for suitcases out there. In case it gets dented, it will not crack, and it will instead pop back into its original position. And that's not even my favorite thing about this suitcase. It's a rare hardshell in this world that features an external compartment. Yes, you read that right, the Delsey Helium Aero carry-on luggage has an external compartment with a padded laptop sleeve. The packing compartment is divided in two. The bottom compartment features cross straps to hold your clothes in place and a small zippered pocket for your smaller items. The top compartment, on the other hand, has a full zippered divider with a large pocket, and also cross straps inside. Additionally, the capacity of the packing compartments is expandable. This suitcase features 4 double spinner wheels, a telescopic wheel handle, and a TSA-friendly lock. And on top of all that, it has a pretty attractive price tag, especially for a suitcase made from such premium materials. If you want the best of the best, definitely pick up this carry-on. And finally at number 1, we have the Samsonite Furo 20 inches spinner. I love Samsonite suitcases, and I never doubt their quality. The only reason you haven't seen more of them in this review is their size. Samsonite's smallest suitcases tend to be taller than 23, which won't be considered a carry-on by most airlines. But not this one. The Fiero is barely over 21 inches tall, and it is an amazing suitcase. It is made from 100% polycarbonate, so you know it has a very durable and impact-resistant shell. It is a bit prone to scratches, but that's a common issue with PC suitcases. This suitcase has 4 single wheels that are lightweight, and which glides smoothly and quietly. You will have no issues maneuvering this suitcase around the airport, especially with the retractable wheel handle. The Fiero has expandable capacity and 2 packing compartments. Both are fully lined. The bottom compartment features a small zippered pocket and elastic cross straps that will hold your clothes in place. The top compartment, on the other hand, only features a full zippered divider, no pockets there. That's pretty much the only downside of this suitcase. You won't really be able to organize your things. But, you will like everything else about it. The TSA-friendly lock will keep all your belongings safe, and the top grab handle is soft and comfortable to hold in your hand. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.